to my channel. So glad to be back. I did take a couple of weeks off. I think it was about 2 weeks off. I went on vacation and then I took another week off to spend some time here at home and just relax. But I'm so happy to be back, especially with this video. Now, one of the things that I love most about accessories and creating outfits are the handbags. A handbag is, in my opinion, a handbag is very important when creating outfits. So I am so happy that I am able to do this unboxing video of this handbag with you guys. Teddy Blake was kind enough to send me this handbag, and quick story before I begin is that this handbag has actually been on my wish list for a while. I have screenshots of it. I have it in different colors saved onto my phone. I always wanted this handbag. When they went ahead and reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to work with them, I didn't even think twice. I knew I wanted to work with them. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. All right, so when you receive, so it is in this beautiful box right here. It says Teddy Blake, New York. The packaging is just so awesome. So awesome. I love the box. Very nice box. So this is the way you would receive it, and then you go ahead and open it. Here it says Teddy Blake, New York. Designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind, to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your fashion choice. So, and then I think it says something, yeah, discover your Teddy Blake designer handbag. So the interesting thing about Teddy Blake is that their handbags are made with Italian leather. So just a luxury handbag for less of the price. And right now I'll go into more details on how Teddy Blake works and so on. So it comes in this dust bag, Teddy Blake, New York. I'm so excited for you guys to see. I mean, oh, it's so pretty. Voila! Oh my gosh, the handbag is just so stunning, gorgeous. Kim Stampato in an 11-inch in the color tan. So this is the handbag right here. It's stunning, absolutely stunning. Each details, I got it with the gold detailing. So this, all the hardware right here is in gold. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'll give you guys a close-up right now of the bag once I start sharing more of the details. So it opens just like this. And that is the inside. I'm going to go ahead and take out the paper. So it comes with a crossbody, which is a must. Crossbody, when it comes with that option, it's just so practical. So that is the inside of the handbag right there. And like I said, it comes with a crossbody, so you're able to use it like such. It's just so stunning. Blake is these are premium Italian leather handbags. They're made with very luxurious materials, obviously with less of a price. Teddy Blake's are made with luxurious leathers from Italy's finest. Basically, Teddy Blake, it makes it possible for you to afford designer handbags with all the key characteristics of any high luxury houses, and removing about $1,000 to $2,000 added to handbag cost for just the label, which I feel is so interesting. It's nice to know that some people just, Teddy Blake just keeps it real and not overpricing just because of its brand. And trust me, when you see the handbag in person, it's literally so high-end. The material, you could smell the leather, the pure leather. It's just so stunning. Now, the webpage is so easy to maneuver in. If you go into the webpage, you'll be able to find all the different handbags that they have. They have so many different options. Though when it comes to handbags, I like to be very specific and very if I'm going to spend, I want to know I'm spending on something that I really like, and I know that it's very it's good quality, and this brand, I know, I've heard so much about it, I've learned so much about it, I've researched a lot about it, and they have nothing but good reviews. Now on their webpage, it's so easy to maneuver through their webpage. You could go in and you'll find they have everything categorized by their best sellers, their summer collection. They also have like their bags categorized, because in each different handbag style that they have, they offer it in many different colors and stunning. Now this is the 11-inch. They have this bag in a bigger size, and then they have it in a 9-inch. So I went ahead and went with the one in the middle because I feel it's just so practical. I could wear it with so many different things. With the crossbody, that way you guys can go ahead and see how it will look with the crossbody. I'm so excited to use it. You guys don't know how long I've been wanting this handbag. So you just clip it here on top, and there you go. And it easily becomes a crossbody bag. So practical, I love it. So practical. It's very indecisive between this one and the Ava, because the Ava is also gorgeous. It's practically the same style, except the hardware right here is just a tad bit different, but went ahead and went with this style, and I do not regret it. I'm so happy because this bag, I feel, is like an all year round bag. I mean, obviously it's perfect for summer because of the color, but I think it goes perfectly for all year long. So excited to style it. Thank you once again, Teddy Blake. I'm so excited to wear this. And if I have some great news, if you go to my description box, I'll also add it here. Aside from all the discounts that Teddy Blake already has for all the handbags, you could also enjoy a $30 off your purchase by using my code TBStephanie030. Like I said, everything will be linked in my description box. I'm gonna go ahead and also leave their Instagram. If you go into their Instagram, you can see how other influencers or other people style their handbags and all the different colors and tones, and the ones that they have a summer collection that is just stunning. It's gorgeous. And so much more. Follow them on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I'll leave everything linked down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you here next time with a brand new video. Bye!